Okay, so I'm playing some Tornado Simulator. I'll just start recording when there's a storm because that'll probably be a while. But I don't know if I'll be able to talk that much. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me because I'm using the iPad's microphone, not a microphone. Well, I'll cut to when a storm starts. We got a severe thunderstorm watch. I'll just cut to the tornado because this stuff kind of takes a while. The sky is rotating, you can see. No funnel cloud yet. We're just gonna wait, I guess. I just crashed. Nothing much happening. What if there's a funnel cloud just now? Well, oh, funnel, right there. It's actually heading toward me. Well, I'll film when the tornado's on the ground. There'll just be a second for you. There it is. The tornado's hitting the town. Oh my gosh. That didn't take very long. Okay, I don't think you can hear me, but I don't think you can hear me. That is unrealistic. Whoa. Okay. Did it just get bigger? Yeah, it just did. I hope it hits 20. No, that sounds bad, but it's really bad. Oh, it's about to hit. I want to see this. 92 miles per hour. Wow, that is... Imagine being, it doesn't even break the power line. It does. It's debris. Oh, it's tossing the roof. Oh, it knocked over our power line. Oh. There it is. I gotta catch up to it. No, it says no power. I got a probe. I gotta get inside of it. No power anywhere. How does that happen? Oh, come on. This is awful. Can you hear me? White thing. There it is. Oh, shoot. It's close. Jump. There's probe. Oh, come on. Get inside of it. So now I have to go outside of my car to get it. Oh, but I keep forgetting there's no power. I can't tell if it's getting stronger or weaker. It's hard to tell. Why did they make the skies, the clouds completely black? Stop. Okay. Tornado warning. I can tell it's not very strong. Or it would say PDS. happened. Oh, PDS tornado on it. I can see inside of the tornado. I can see what's doing. I can't even look inside of it. I forgot about this one. Okay. So I just gotta go to... Look at that tornado path. This is cool. If you want to play in a private server, it's just 10 Robux. Luckily they made it cheap, not like other games. It's like 100 Robux. I'm Pole, so that's... I'm Robux Pole, so that's expensive for me. Not 10 Robux, probably. Whoa. So pretty to be 20. It just like demolished the houses. It's strong. I'm gonna have to somehow get wind speeds from inside of it to see how strong it is. It's gonna be heading toward me, I think. Please don't head in the other direction. Oh, you're kidding me. Ooh, it's gonna hit some more houses. Wait, did you see that? Oh, it's hitting right there. What game is this? Whoa. Oh! This is a mega strong tornado. 130. Oh my gosh! I've never seen damage like this before. It's like EF2. Because I know more about tornadoes than you. This is insane. Oh my gosh. I'm getting... Wait, that hit me? Oh no, it's gross. Why does a power have to be out? Everyone is... Gosh, it's got strong. So it's getting weaker. Whoa, I wonder what happens if I go inside of it? Oh, that was close. Well, anyway, I might be ending this video soon, so make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to do videos every day. That's good. Oh, that was loud. Look, there's me. It's about to hit it. This is a strong tornado. Head toward it. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Yeah. It's a cool one. The ton is weakening. Let's just get the wind speeds. No. There's a tornado. Oh, it's getting so small. What were the wind speeds? No! I accidentally picked it up. Well, like and subscribe, please. You're gonna want to see more videos of this. But bye. Like and subscribe.